Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Are you ready to ditch waxing and go to something that's so much easier to use? I've been so pleased with the results using this Braun Silk Epil 9. Now, how does it feel? Well, it hurts, obviously. Anytime you pluck hair out of your skin, it's gonna hurt. But I didn't find it to be excruciating, and it works so well. I was absolutely happy to bear with whatever it took. I have been waxing my arms for several years, and using the epilator was so easy and practically painless in this area that I'm so happy that I can switch over to using the epilator. I found that the results last about the same as when you're waxing. Other areas of your body, it is going to be a little bit more sensitive, like around your bikini line. I would recommend just doing small patches at a time until you get used to it, and make sure that you don't press too hard. Thankfully, there's a red light that comes on if you have pressed too hard into your skin. Just pay attention to that. When I first started using it, I did start on the lower speed, and then as I got used to it, I went up to the higher speed. However, I do like leaving the massager top part on because it does help to cut down on sensitivity. I like that there's a guide that comes with the shaving attachment that gets the hair exactly to 0.5 millimeters, which is what you need in order to epilate. I'm actually really thrilled with the results that I've seen from using the epilator. I wish that I had stopped waxing years ago and just gotten one of these. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.